Alright, so tonight I'm going to make for my YouTube channel and my family at home. I was in a Jamaican mood. As you can hear, I got my Jamaican music playing in the background. And tonight I'm making Jamaican food. I'm gonna make some Jamaican like chicken brown stew, and then I make some peas. I got my music going. I gotta get the boys out the kitchen. Javion's about to help. Alright, let's get to it. I got my chicken. Got the chicken. We're gonna get to that in a minute. I got my kidney beans. I have a couple cans of that. I have my coconut milk. I got my seasonings. I'm gonna explain the seasonings when I get to that. Mixed garlic and my veggies. We got our rice. We have our pots and pans we're gonna be using. And I have my assistant chef, my handsome Javion. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and peel the chicken. We don't want the skin when we're making the chicken. We don't want the skin. We're gonna go ahead and peel the chicken, right? We're gonna take off all this skin, because when you're making the chicken, well, it's up to you if you like it. I think it tastes better when you take the skin off. We're making the brown chicken stew, so for it to get really brown, we're just gonna take the skin off. All right, so when we come back, all this chicken will be skinless. And Javion, wash your hands.
Okay. There we go.
All right, you guys, so the chicken is skinless. I was really thinking about keeping the skin and putting it, like freezing it. So I can fry skin later. I like fried skin. So the chicken is peeled. All the skin is off. Javion helped a lot. So cute.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna go ahead and season this, and we're gonna actually start the peas for the other part of the food. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and season this real good. Here are the seasonings that I'm gonna use. Okay, so we're gonna use these seasonings. We got onion powder. We got some paprika. We have some black, thank you baby, black ground pepper. Italian seasoning. I'm probably not gonna use that, but seasoning salt. We got thyme. That's for the rice, so we don't need that right now. We got garlic powder. We got lemon pepper, and we got some mixed garlic. So we're gonna season the chicken. Okay, so the chicken is seasoned. Look at that. It's seasoned. It's gonna be fried in there, and we're gonna also in here add some water for the kidney beans. But look at that. So much flavor. I think I'm gonna look in the cabinet for some more flavor, because I love flavor. Look at the chicken. I'm just gonna let you guys take this in. I got garlic in there. It smells so good. So we got the pinto beans in there. Not the pinto, oh my goodness. We have the kidney beans in there. Let them boil for a while. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the vegetables that we're gonna need for the rice and beans, and what we're gonna need for the chicken afterwards. Javion is gonna help.
I'm gonna cut them up.
All right. We'll be back. Okay, yeah, guys. So we cut up some bell peppers. We cut up the red kind and the green kind. We also have some carrots in there, right there. And we also have some green onions. And we're gonna cut up a regular onion. That's gonna make your eyes cry, baby. We got the kidney beans over here. Now I'm gonna start working on the chicken. Come over here so they can see. So I cut them up like long ways. See? You break them up. Look at that. I'm gonna put that right there. Kind of break them apart. I like this way because it's quick and it doesn't get to my eyes as fast. So, all right.
Done?
Now we're gonna work on the chicken. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. You don't want too much oil.
But what's gonna happen?
We're not gonna use a lot of oil for this, baby. Okay? You want to do the honors of pouring the oil in? Okay. Undo it. Take the top off. Pour the oil in very slow. And I'm gonna tell you when to stop. You can go a little faster than that, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, honey. Keep going. Keep pouring. Keep pouring.
Until it get all the way off.
It's going to be filled up right here. So keep pouring. Keep going, honey. Keep going. You barely put oil in it. You probably put about like this much oil. Not that kind, baby. Like that much oil. And let it heat up. Beans over here doing its thing. Cover that on up. Actually, we're gonna add some salt to those right now. All right, you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and add these green onions and garlic that I had got prepared into this, into the beans. And I add some seasoning salt too. Okay. Okay, baby.
Done?
Yep. So, and also I'm gonna add this, where's the seasoning? Some of this in there, just a tiny bit in there. And then we're gonna add the chicken. Actually, let's add some chicken now. All right, so the grease should be hot. Yep. Add the chicken in there, brown it on up.
Possible too. That's another thing.
I put the coconut milk in there.
Bob Marley had some gang.
I know, right? He had a lot of kids. Want the chicken nice and brown. I had to change pots with my rice and beans. I put them in, my rice and peas because the other one, oh shit. The other one was sticking it really bad. But I'm taking them out and I'm going to put these in there. I'm going to clean up because I like to clean as I cook. We got that chicken all browned up. We got the rice and the peas on. And some more rice and peas. Browning this chicken on it. I'm going to make some cabbage. So right here I got some bacon grease. I'm gonna add the cabbage. Bacon grease. So I put the remainder of that grease in here, well, a little bit. And now I'm gonna get all this, because we want this. That's flavor. And I'm scraping it. I'm just scraping, because I want all this flavor. Alright, so while that heats up, got the cabbage over here. Actually, turn it up. I'm so tired, y'all. Look at the chicken, it's all browned. So that's heating up, so we're gonna put the vegetables in there. And I'm gonna stir it on up.
You got that window phone in the shower where we got to get in.
Then get it. You know your dad is up there, so you can tell him. Gonna mix it on up. Y'all see how that look? It smells delicious. I like it to get a little more brown. Then we're gonna add water. Go ahead and add the chicken in there. All right. I'm gonna add the big pieces first. This dinner takes a while. I wish I would have started a little earlier, but I couldn't. I was being a mom. Look at that. Y'all, don't sleep on me. Don't sleep on me. So I'm gonna mix it up right now, and then I'll add the rest. All right, y'all see that? I'm gonna cover it for 30 minutes. The rice is over there done. The cabbage should be done. And that's dinner. It's a Jamaican dinner. Got the Jamaican beef, the Jamaican brown chicken stew. We got the rice and peas, Jamaican rice, and we got some stir-fried cabbage with veggies.